Dear friends, here we are with the second episode from your principal's desk. In our previous talk, our topic was self learning, and today it is the extension of the same. Friends, the success of self learning, or we can say the success of any venture you take up, is built upon three blocks. An educationist named Susan Kruger has developed a learning success pyramid which is made up of three blocks. At the base of Susan Kruger's pyramid is the first block of confidence. The second block is self-management, and the third and the final block is the learning itself. Today we will talk about confidence. In the foundation of self-learning is the conviction that we can learn. This confidence is the first and foremost requirement. There is no other way to move on the path of self-learning. Now the question arises, where does this confidence come from and where do we lose it? To understand this, we need to understand the chemistry of our brain. When we receive any information, it first received by our spinal cord. From there, it travels upward towards the brain. The first portion of brain which receives this information is the emotional center. This emotional center determines if this information is a threat to our security or not. If this emotional center perceives a threat, then all the chemical resources from all the other parts of the brain rush to the emotional center to deal with the threat. All of us might have experienced this when while running or walking, we stumble upon something, and at this point of time, we become unaware of everything else, but to protect ourselves from hurting ourselves. All the other functions of brain stop, and the response to protect us from threat only functions. Now, it is important to know that our brain does not differentiate between a physical threat or the personal threats. Insult, harsh words, scoldings will trigger the same alarm in the emotional center of brain as a physical attack like an oncoming truck or an animal attack. In all such conditions which trigger fear, the only function our brain does is to respond to the danger. Rest, all the other activities are stopped, and learning is one of them. Now, one thing is clear, that threat cannot be a motivation for learning. If one is hurt, depressed, stressed, then learning does not take place. All it takes that you get rid of the word I can't and replace it with I can and I will. There are few lines in Hindi and here they are. निराशा से निकल पाओगे कैसे, उजालों में उभर आओगे कैसे, सवालों में अगर उलझे रहोगे, जवाबों को भला पाओगे कैसे, तुम्हें खुद से यही बस पूछना है, नहीं का लफ्ज़ ठुकराओगे कैसे, तुम्हारे जहन में हल भी छुपे हैं, इरादों के परिंदे सो रहे हैं, तुम्हारी सोच के जुगनू है उलझे, हुनर सारे कहीं डर कर छुपे हैं, तुम अब सुलझा भी लो उलझन तुम्हारी, बस अपनी सोच को आज़ाद कर दो, हुनर को पहुँच कर अपने निखारो, इरादों को रहे रफ्तार कर दो, जवाबों को सभी पा जाओगे फिर, उजालों में उभर के आओगे फिर. Thank you so much.